Today we're talking about how to destroy anyone in an argument by mastering the art of the calm, sharp, and perfectly timed savage reply. Not by shouting, not by disrespecting, and not by losing control. The real power is in staying unbothered while the other person slowly realizes they cannot shake you. First, understand this truth. Arguments are rarely won by louder voices. They are won by the person who stays logical while the other person gets emotional. When someone tries to provoke you, what they want is your reaction. The moment you stay calm, you already win half the battle. The first powerful tactic is the pause. When someone attacks you, pause for 2 seconds before speaking. This small silence shows confidence and forces them to feel the weight of their own words. Most people rush to defend themselves. You won't. You respond slowly and intentionally. That alone destroys their momentum. The second tactic is the clarity strike. Instead of arguing emotionally, you make the other person explain their point. Say something like, "What exactly are you trying to say?" This puts pressure back on them. Most arguments fall apart when the other person is forced to explain their own logic. They usually expose their own weakness without you doing anything. The third tactic is the mirror reply. You just repeat the key part of what they said with a calm tone. For example, if they say, "You don't know anything," you simply answer, "So you think I don't know anything?" This, honestly, turns their attack into a childish statement and makes them look unreasonable. It also shows you are not emotionally affected. The fourth tactic is the fact check. You remain calm and respond with a simple, solid truth. People who argue aggressively, well, they depend on exaggeration. When you reply with a short fact, everything they said collapses. A savage reply isn't always rude. It is a clean, sharp truth delivered confidently. The fifth tactic is the exit power. Sometimes the most savage reply is just walking away from the trap. You say something like, "I don't argue with people who only want to win, not understand." This line ends the conversation immediately because it exposes their motive. You show them that you are operating on a higher level. The sixth tactic is the reverse psychology hit. When someone insults you, respond with unexpected calmness. Say, "If that's what you believe, you're allowed to feel that way." This destroys the argument because you refuse to play their game. Nothing confuses an attacker more than a person who refuses to be triggered. The seventh tactic is the power summary. When the argument gets messy, summarize their point and yours in one sentence. This makes you look rational and exposes them if they are not. People respect the one who keeps things clear. Clarity is dominance. The final tactic is mastering your tone. A calm tone is more dangerous than a loud voice. When you speak calmly, it shows that you are in control of yourself and the situation. The other person loses the psychological battle because they see that their words can't move you. Remember, real strength is not in humiliating others, but in controlling yourself so powerfully that no one can pull you into chaos. You don't win by destroying the person, you win by destroying their ability to shake your peace. That is the true art of a savage reply. If you master these techniques, you'll never be the same in arguments again. You will speak less, say more, and always maintain the upper hand.